something where you are given the opportunity to excel, not necessarily competing against other people.
This is Umam Imran from section J, and today I had so much information regarding what the corporate world is, the banking sector and other field experiences. He had worked a lot, and this had taught me that no matter what I choose, I can do anything I want.
Assalamu alaikum ji, my name is Naazer Minhaj. I was invited as a guest speaker to Wales College today. For me, I had no misgivings coming over here, but I was curious to see what the college facility would look like, what the student body will be like, because it's my first interaction with them. That curiosity has been very, very pleasantly met. I was very, very impressed with the student body. They were very engaging. They were brave enough to ask questions. Nothing was taboo for them. They asked me both difficult questions. They were in good humor, very, very disciplined, very, very impressive. I took a look at the facility itself. I wish growing up I had access to such facilities as well. A gym on campus, a great futsal place, and a faculty that was so engaging with their students is great to see. I think it's a matter of pride for Wales itself on how they've been developing. I wish them the best for the future. In terms of the student body that I met, I think I only want to have one message for them. That message is that don't get taken in by preconceived notions about what work will be or what you want to pursue in life. They're still very young. They've got 6 or 7 years to go before they get into a proper work environment. Take this time out to pursue degrees and experiences that match their passion and their interest, and gives them the opportunity to discover themselves.